This oxtail recipe honestly made me think something very philosophical. How is it that the part of the beef that has barely any meat, just bone, is one of the most expensive part of the beef? Everybody loves oxtail. God makes no mistakes. Nobody's useless, even the tail of an ox. Enjoy this juicy recipe. If you have any questions, feel free to put it on the comment section. Thank you for watching. Enjoy. Bon appetit.